Hello, everybody. Let's get Twitter down. Go away. Hello, and welcome to another live coding session. This time I'm not doing Sakai, I'm doing Tsugi. I did Sakai in all of July, and it's early August, and I got to catch up with some backlog in Tsugi. So the thing I'm working on right now is I've got some adopters of my Python for Everybody course, and you can grab a common cartridge out of here. Here's a common cartridge right there. You can get a common cartridge and it downloads it, and you can stick it into all the LMSs. It works in Sakai, it works in Blackboard. I had a customer who wanted to use it in Moodle, and so I tried it, and I went to the Moodle sandbox, which is really cool. Is that it? Yeah, demo.moodle, and I tested it, and I did what I thought it was supposed to do, and it didn't work, but it didn't work silently. So I got all panicky, and I tried to Google, and I thought maybe they'd taken common cartridge right out of Moodle. And so I'm like, whoa, and I checked the documentation, and I looked in issues, and I did a whole bunch of things, and then I'm like, it seems the new Moodle no longer supports common cartridge, and I'm like, I freaked out, right? And sort of, I made Moodle look bad, so I apologize for that, because it turned out not to be true. I was just misled. And so now we have a Moodle bug. So there's the Moodle bug, and separately, Martin Dugiamas teased me, meaning that, you know, and I think what he's trying to say in this tweet is that I was tweeting before I was thinking. And yeah, other than the fact I thought I tried to figure it out for like 2 hours before I tweeted, and I couldn't find it in documentation or anywhere. So, but it was wrong. Common cartridge support is there, and I went back to the old cartridges. And so what I'm guessing, this is my guess. So what I'm guessing is that, so I went back to some old cartridges that we used for, hang on a sec. These are cartridges from a long time ago. These are, when we first made IMS, these are the certification cartridges. And I'm like, oh boy, if it's there, I mean, I better go back. So these are all IMS 1.1, I think. 1.0, 1.1, and so I was making an IMS common cartridge of 1.2, and so that might be the problem. I don't know, but ultimately, I mean, I imported a stock cartridge that came just fine, right? It adopted that stock cartridge, and so Moodle works. It may not work with the latest cartridges, or it may be my cartridges aren't right. So I got to just figure out how Tsugi can generate a cartridge and Moodle can consume that cartridge. And I will change Tsugi as needed to make sure that it works. You know, that's what's going to happen. So this will be kind of boring because I'm doing some investigation. It might take me 2-3 hours to do all this. So bear with me. And so the first thing I want to do is, let's see, this can go away, and blah, blah, blah. That can go away. WordPress. What the heck is WordPress? I don't know what WordPress means. Okay, I'm far away from working back in Moodle. First, I'm going to do this. I am going to IMS common cartridge. I should have done this long ago. I'm not sure. I think I did. I wrote this cartridge export in Tsugi a long time ago. There's a place that you can upload these and see if they're certified. Performance testing. Common cartridge. MS common cartridge. I thought it was the validator. Oh, well, I'll try that. Common cartridge validator. Where is the common cartridge validator? A PDF, what is this? Ah! How come Google is not helping me here? Is there a conformance test somewhere? Ah, who knows? I'm so lost. Profile, use case, conformance test. I don't know what this means. Open a new tab. It would help if I knew where this stuff was. Yeah, that's a broken link. Ah. Member resources. Validator. There we go. Members only validator. Cartridge validator. I have to be logged in for this. Okay, so that's good. So let's do this. Let's choose file. Let's go grab one of mine that came out of mine. Now I think that I'm a 1.2 or a 1.3, and so let me see what happens. Validating. It's kind of nice. Yeah. Yeah, so mine doesn't validate as a 1.1. Let's see if mine validates as a 1.2 or 1.3, which is, I think, what it is. If it doesn't validate for a 1.3, then I'm like, God, frick tight. Now it looks like I got like a terrible bug. I got a terrible bug. Dying. So I don't even validate. That's a first mistake. Maybe that's what I'll fix first. But a thin. Do I validate as a thin? I'm sure not. And so Moodle's looking better all the time. If I don't validate, I really have no position to complain. Yeah, so I don't validate for any time. Let's validate this guy right here, which is from the certification test. You know, just kind of for a sanity check, you know. This one better validate. Yeah, of course it validates. That came from IMS in the first place. So that's good. That's good. I mean, I got some boundary around which my world lives. So let's do this. Let's go here. Downloads. I wish there was a way. I wish there was a way to unzip things that didn't have zip, because these little guys are all just. These are all just zip files, anyways. Okay, cd.ls. Okay, cd export. It does mine. I want to figure out what's wrong with mine. Then I got to unname the zip suffix. Now I'm going to choose that file. Go back to downloads. Come on, baby, downloads. Send that baby up. The type declaration of T003. T2R. So now let's take a look in the manifest. Okay. This is a dumb message, but here's the thing. So here's this, and that's the type. Okay, so that's a web link. So that's, but wait a sec. Well, whatever. I just don't care. I don't care anymore. Well, I mean, I think that's right, because this has been important all over the place. Well, we'll find out. That's a web link. So I think the thing I need to do on these things is so there's basically web links and LTI links. And I probably made this web link be kind of 1.2, and I really didn't need to. I mean, if that makes any, that probably doesn't make any sense. So what I need to do is I need to make these things the lowest possible version that can represent what I want to represent, and not go with the highest possible version, if that makes any sense. So let's go into the code, Python for everybody. Tsugi, find out his name, CC. Star HP. I'm gonna break all my unit tests in a bad way, but that's okay. Unit tests were made to be broken. Okay, let's see if I can change this code right here. Weblink.php. So that's what a web link looks like. And so now what we do is we go into one of these guys, one of these other guys. I'm sure there's a way to read the documentation, but I ain't doing that. That's just not that's not how I roll. I just look at stuff that works and hack it. So if I go into this one, so let's look at one that worked. This was the one I uploaded to Moodle and it worked. So I'm gonna look at the manifests. So, okay, so that's what a web link is. XML v1 p1. So web link is, actually I gotta put that in the manifest. Where is the manifest? This is the actual web link. Well, okay, let's go back here. So we're going to go into this file right here. And we're going to steal this little schema right here. This little schema went to market. This little schema went home. This little schema had roast beef. And this little schema had none. Okay, happier now? So now, this web link, it's really not all that much crap. So what is this? Is this a size? Window features, target equals self. Oh, I think I'll just leave that crap off. Okay, so that fixes that. This is my manifest. So now I gotta look at this file right here. No, not that file. Now I need to look for this string. Reference R. Right here. Slash. Sorry, folks, we're going to only generate web links for 1.1. No. I'm changing code. God bless America. Look for that string in that code. Oh, my unit tests are gonna have a canary. It's not gonna be fun. Might want to make some notes here. Fixing unit tests will happen later when they start running and failing. So web links become, what is the web link namespace? The web link namespace is going to be 1. Okay, so we're going to go that P1, P2. Long space. Long. That's mine. P1, 1, bang. So what we're going to do here, we're going to just wipe this little guy out and steal it from that. You are my special angel. Copy and paste is your best friend. I don't even know what that oh, stop it. That was not what I meant to do. Oops. Undo. Oh yeah, we're starting to smack it into place. Okay, so not downloads. Where the heck am I? Where am I? Where's my code? Okay. grep minus r v1p2. v1p2 is not my friend. Grep. Nope, not that grep. Where was it? Where's my friend grep? Grep. Oh. Media. Yeah, it's a media type. That's okay. That stuff is okay. Let's just check to see if I've wiped out. What? No. V1, P2. There's still another one. What the shiz? That came from this one. That came from here. I guess I'm gonna leave it. I think that's a mistake in the cartridge, but we shall see. Maybe not. Maybe that's IMS content package v1p2. Okay, so I better look at IMS CP. Let's do a grep. Grep minus R minus. Okay. I know. I think I'm feeling kind of groovy at this point. So let's make a new export and see if it does a better job. Let's do export and see if it looks different the way I expect. Export. Okay, so now move pi for export to pi for export original. Move pi for export. Zip. Make their pi for export. Oh shit. Pi for export. Pi for export original. Make their pi for export. See pi for export. I should write myself a script. That's what I need to do. I need to write a script to just unzip cartridges if I was doing this longer. No. Okay, so that's good. This one here. Is the original. No, just for yucks. I'm sure it's going to be crazy. Yeah, kind of roughly what I was looking for. Okay, so first thing we do now, instead of just testing it with Moodle, we are going to try to test this. See, I needed to rename it, but it should work. Come to me. Fatal errors. Yeah, whatever. That's true. That's true. It mattered. Here we go. It mattered. So we had to have diet IMSCC on the end of it, and I gotta unzip them. I'm gonna write a damn shell script. That's what I'm doing because I'm sick. I do not. What? Okay, now it's mad. That's my LTI. V1 for namespace should be incorrect URL. Okay, so let's just incorrect for namespace. Oh God, I can't even cut and paste this stuff because he's got hover. Rawr! Inspect element. Thank you, Mr. Hover Maker. Oh crap. Okay, here we go. Copy this. Incorrect URL for namespace. V1P0. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, I know how to fix that with grep minus R quote that minus star, and whatever it is that says that, then I'm gonna fix that, which is sort of this little part right here. So what I probably should just do while I'm at it is just go into this guy. Which one I mean? Let's see, let's go to P15. This one right here. This is the one that has an LTI link in it. No. Bang. Bang. So what I really want to do is like, yep, that's what I'm taking, folks. So now I'm just going to like, see how easy it is? And you're such a thorough and careful. What? Nope, that's not it. Okay, start over. Oh, what am I doing? I'm in here. I was in the wrong file. Okay, so here I go with that. Get rid of this. Okay, steal that. And then make another. Where am I? Get rid of this guy. Bam. Now redo the export with everybody. Don't do me an export. Okay, now let's certify. Hello. You know, this might not be as hard as I thought. I thought this was going to be several hours. Okay, we don't need that. Come on, baby, do the locomotion. This is a good idea. CC1. Ha! Ha! IMS band file on line 41120 is not respect. Okay, we're fine. Okay, 120. So you learn how to program. The first most important thing is to learn how to use grep. Grep minus R 1.2.0 star. And that finds all the files that have 1.2.0. Ooh, that's crap. What's that? Symphony. That has nothing to do with me. There is my line of code. Oh yeah, you want me to do 1.2.0? 1.2.0? And we will just do 1.1.0. And that's what we want to do. 1.1.0. Okay, so now let's go into downloads. Get rid of that file. Go back to Python. This could be like too freaking awesome. Export it again. Download it again. Test it in IMS again. See if I validate. See, I should have done this before I tweeted to Moodle. I mean, I'm a bad guy. But I'll make a nice tweet later. Look at that. It led me right to it. It led me right to it. Now! Whoa. Time to go to Moodle. Thankfully, Moodle has for me a nice little demo.moodle.net. And I can log in as teacher. Thank you, Moodle, for having a demo. We have Nightly and Sakai. I just love this. Sandbox. So let's import the cartridge. My first course. Restore. Choose a file. Like, I can't effing believe. It will just like, it will freak me out if this was so easy. I mean, easy is not the exact right word. Come on, Moodle, be my friend. Oh, I'm loving Moodle. Thank you. I probably had to test this in Sakai again, but I'm sure it's fine. That's the nice thing about validation is like if validation is super strict, thank you Stephen Vickers and Jeff Kahn for writing such a strict validation. No, no, no. Delete the contents of this course. Damn it. No, no. expecting at 4219. God bless America. I got nowhere to go on this one. Let's see what I got. Okay, so do I have a Moodle that I got installed locally? Git stems. Is this like a Git? Oh, I was fixing stuff in this Moodle. Different bug in Moodle. Been sitting in the input queue for months at Moodle. So sorry to. I should tweet you. I should call you guys out on Twitter on that one. Like, hey, work on stuff. I got you a patch and everything. But okay, that's a different problem. So goodbye. Okay, we're passing validation. Okay, so now I'm going to go to localhost Moodle. Oh yeah. So now I gotta find where my stupid password. That's Moodle notes. So now you get to see my Moodle password on my local host. Okay. I hate passwords. Oh. Let's try it again. Let's CSAF. Is this the password? Yes, I want to save that password. Yay! Okay, so this is my Moodle. So let's try to make it into this course. And what? Am I not an instructor in this? Must not be an instructor. Log out. Log in. Admin. Courses. Where are the courses? There's got to be courses here. Courses. Where are they? Site home. Is this it? Oh, there's a course. Now I can restore. Now I can choose a file. Go to file, choose a file. Come to me. Upload this file. Can you do like a get whole upstream master here? Yes, I can. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, I'll do a get stash on that later. Let's just do this. What I want to do is blow up for me, and then I can go dig around. Who knows what? Restore it as a new course. Delete the contents of this course and continue. Aha! Ha 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 ha! So where is the tempter? Where is the tempter? CD. Is it /town? Where do we put that? Back up. So it's not there. Where is this file? Is it in MAMPS? There it is. No. Back up. Okay. So XML, expecting semicolon at line 419. This looks very pretty. Does not look bad at all. Oh, it's a Moodle backup. So damn close. 4219. 1, 2, go. No. 4, 2, 1, 9, go. Oh. 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 Well, 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 I might be able to fix that. This is XML. So this might be my bug. This might be my bug. Okay, where the freak am I? Okay, get out of here. Tsugi just having got too many things open. Just got it. Okay, so this could be my fault. I mean, I don't understand why the validator didn't catch this. But the validator didn't. So let's see what we got. So cd py for the export grep minus r. No. Grep ampersand grep ampersand */*.exe. Oh no! Oh no, that is a bug. That's a Moodle bug, not a me bug. Can I fix them? So it's not a me bug, because in my XML that I'm generating, I was afraid that I wasn't doing it right, and so now we have a thing where I think this is a genuine Moodle bug, because I am properly URL encoding this stuff, and Moodle is not properly URL encoding it. I mean, well, it's decoding it once and then not re-encoding it. So Moodle's clearly sort of making a mapping between, it sort of parses it and then puts it back in, but it's not URL encoding it the proper way. So I think this is solidly a Moodle bug. Should I record this stuff somewhere? Yeah. Okay, so I'll keep that guy. I'm gonna keep that guy, so I can really write a good bug report now for Moodle. And then I'm gonna super hack this. Never underestimate. Oh, shoot. Look, I'm out of coffee. How can I write a great hack with no coffee? God damn it. Okay. I can't do it. I'll be right back. I'm going to get some coffee. Well, good news. I went and got a cup of coffee, which helps me think through the problem. And I realized that I got to hack this twice. First, I got to hack it, assuming that I got to make it so that my customers who want to put this into an existing Moodle that's in production can get to what they want to do to work around the Moodle bug, which means I'm going to have to double encode those ampersands. And then I'm going to try to fix Moodle and submit a patch to fixing Moodle, which should be really easy. I mean, not that I know the Moodle source code. So, hack, double ampersand. This is my just a do list. And then fix Moodle. Smiley face. It's so fun. Okay. So this is going to be in my web link. Well, let's do this. Let's take a look in this file and see if okay, so that is a web link. Where? File. It's a file? How can it be a file? Is there any LTIs in here? What is that? That's mine, so that's good. That's just me. Maybe just didn't get far enough. Okay, so let's come up with This is going to be the most gloriously super elegant hack the world has ever seen. Set title, set description, add module, add submodule, add web link, add my link, resource item. So it's really in CC web link and CC CC star PHP here. Replace text and S. What is this? Okay, so I got a DOM, so that's going to be clean. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Watch this. Hack move. If dollar is set. You're going to love this. $_get. Moodle hack. We are going to double encode HTML entities. $text equals HTML entities. Text. Oh, double encode. Hack 4. Okay, so now we go to Tsugi. Go here. Copy. Oh, hang on, let's see what I'm doing. Let's clean up that folder, clean up my downloads. Okay, so keep that one. And now I have got to copy this link address. I gotta go over here. And then I gotta say question mark Moodle hack equals heck yes. That's by me. Moodle underscore hack. Now we gotta unzip that guy. No, what I want to do, you know what I'm gonna do? Ha! Watch this. I am sick and tired of unzipping common cartridges, so I'm going to make me a shell script. Okay. cczip.sh. It was raining. Okay, so we're going to say echo base name $1. That's not what I need. Building a shell script, building a shell script. How long have we been? Nobody's watching. Yeah, because now nobody's watching now because I'm doing a shell script plus America. Okay, so I'm gonna say, is it raining out? It can't be raining. It's not raining. It's just been blowing. Oh. Okay. Oh wow, the buffer is bad. It's buffering. Video output low. Crap. Now let's stop. Okay, we're back. We'll see if it buffers better. Let's see if it buffers better. I need to just get out of this. It'll probably work better for me. But it was an hour, so you don't want to really go long. Okay. Well, you know, GitHub, I mean, Stack Overflow, I just want to see the base name man page. I don't want a bunch of people asking. I don't want a bunch of stupid people who are just like asking stupid questions to improve their rating. We have to ask arcane questions. So if I do this. Okay. Shell scripting something. Okay, so let's see. Bash if statements. Sometimes you don't want Stack Overflow. Okay, so we're putting some sanity checks in here. Echo, one, I'll check our base. One, check, base. Not equals. Let's just guess. So that's right. So now it's in the current folder. That's good. So now what we're going to do is graph base. Make their base. CD base. All your base are belong to us. Unzip /. Alright. Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna do this. Copy our base .imscc $base .imscc .zip. Base .zip. Base .zip. CD dot. That's F. Base .zip. What we thinking here? Well, it looks like it's going to work. Who knows what's going to happen here? So we don't have okay. Yeah. That would explain it. But now I got a nice little thing. Okay. Line 37 in WebLink. Yeah, there we go. 37G. Oh, I do this all the time. I hate is set, so I forget the closing parentheses just to punish myself for being in PHP prior to PHP 7. Oh, someday I will just use PHP 7. I will not be so unhappy. Okay, quit. Oh, now then I have to do this. I got this. .imscc, get rid of that guy, and then come over here to do this, and then run this thing. Bang! Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So now I can just do this. My little shell script is a happy little shell script. Isn't that a pretty little shell script? See, I promised. I mean, I've done this like hundreds of times, thousands of times, and now I have a shell script to do it. Dee-ba-dee-ba-dee. Okay. So if I do something like ampersand and star/star dot XML, we shall see if I have, it's not working. It's not double amping things. Folks, that's not good. We need to be double ampersanding. That did not make me happy. Okay. This is gonna suck. Oh, this is gonna suck. I know. It's not gonna suck. Because the output is actually the zip file of this thing. So I'm going to watch the error log, otherwise it's going to just blow up so horribly. This. So, come on. Meetings or something like that every day. Okay. Yeah. So now we're going to try it again. That guy out. Come up here. Watch the log. See what the freak is happening. Okay, so that's interesting. So my $get of Moodle hack is not actually triggering. What am I missing? What am I missing? Okay. Okay, so that feels better. So now I can do this. Why is it not double ampersanded, folks? Okay, so what do we see here? Another one. Another one. There's P1 for E. It's not probably going to make me very happy. Oh, double amps. Maybe somehow I forgot to run it. But web links aren't working yet. Maybe. Web links aren't double encoding. Oh, is it constructor? Am I doing it in a constructor? Wait. this cartridge go to web links. Oh, okay. Setting. What is this? Web link. There's a launch URL? Why would there be a launch URL in this? Okay. So this, I do not understand why we even have this, so I'm going to test this right now. This might not, I might not even be allowed to do maybe it is, but maybe it's not. What are we doing here? You know what? I think this is all. I just copied this shit in. None of this makes any sense. That doesn't make any sense. Because that's not what's in web links. Web links don't do that. So we're going to just like test if we can delete that. Dude, man, that was sloppy hacking. Just copying and pasting. Copying and pasting gets you in trouble. But hey, sometimes you get pushed into a corner. Okay, so let's remove something. Wipe it out and re-export it. And watch the log. Clear the log. Re-export. See what we got. Okay, web links and LTIs, that is feeling better. Now I'm going to use my CC zip guy, and I'm going to grep to see if I'm seeing double ampersands. I am seeing double ampersands. Cut-you! Here we go, here we go, here we go. So, let's go back to Dr. Chuck 1. Let's see if I can upload this guy on with my super hacking skills. Choose a file, choose a file. Step 1, hack it till it works with existing software. Step 2, fix the bug properly. Fix the bug in Moodle. This isn't here. So. Okay, we don't have. Oh no, we do have. Whoa! Holy mackerel! Sexy, baby, sexy. Totally. Oh, to the yes, to the yes. Perform restore. That's pretty freaking successful, I'd have to say. Whatever this is. The LTIs didn't really come in right. Let's just turn everything on and see how much the LTIs we got. What? Okay. So now, I've got to go into this one. I'll go into 15. And I gotta say, so that is that. File equals file equals. So that looks good. So let's take a look at this one. Does that matter? know if that makes any difference. Nothing makes any... Look at that. It's got a good icon. Knows its name. It's read that perfect. Looks good. Let's finish the restore. Wait a second. Just how come it didn't do it? Okay. What the freak? Wow. Oh, shit. this gets lost. Okay. Doesn't leave me any hints. I put in both launch URL and secure launch URL. I don't know if that makes a difference in how Moodle sees this. I would be sad if it did. Let's just make a new course. File, store, store as a new course. Oh, it's so pretty, and yet Hello everybody and welcome to Chapter 1 of Python for Everybody. I'm Charles Severance, I'm your instructor, and I welcome... Fiddlesticks. I wonder if the ampersand is causing me trouble. What the devil? These LTIs, so. Make a new cartridge. No ampersands, no double ampersands.
This ain't gonna work, but I just fixed a bug on my own. I might as well just sort of like run through and see what happened. This is so close. This might need a break to figure out. So interestingly, if I'm not putting that ampersand on, I don't really need the Moodle hack. I don't need the Moodle hack because I don't have any ampersands. Moodle bug. The Moodle bug is the lack of ampersands. And this still fails. It still fails. Okay. 6. Why don't I have a name for that topic? Title right there, folks. And then hang on a sec. Don't get it. I don't care about that. Got a bigger problem here. God damn it. What is wrong?
Okay, so I think time has come. I think the time has come to try to hand hack this. Because I just can't see. So we've got 3 and 4. We got 4 and 5. So I'm gonna make a little tiny one, so I can just kind of fiddle with it. It's gonna have 1 web link. And it's going to have one LTI, so 4. So okay, so now what if I think I'm right here. So now I think that I have a zip minus r dot dot slash hack dot zip dot. So now what I have, if I think I'm right, so let's go to, oh shoot, MS LTI validation. At numbers only. No. Common cartridge validation. Gotta make it Moodle bookmark to this. Shoot, dang it. Members only explain some members. Member resources. Members only validator. Okay, we're going to take that and stick it in here. IMS. No. Okay, so now I'm going to go to that. And I'm going to upload my little zip file. No. Okay, so that's good. So now let's go into Moodle and import this. still fine. Fails. Let's go to demo. I doubt it'll fix anything. Sure. Sandbox. That's course. Someone else is playing. Course, or something else. No. Restore this is a dangerous sandbox. Upload the file. Military teacher. Contents of this course. Next. Huh. Ha. Huh. Well. Chakatula baga. Yeah, I was not expecting that. That was not what I was expecting. It's good, because it means that I just got to catch up with Trunk. Oh, but that means that, yeah, it's okay. It's okay. I can still... Yeah, okay. Got to test hack free on Moodle. Okay, so what the heck? CD Moodle. Git status. Copy. Git stash. Git pull upstream. Master. Come to me, Moodle modifications. Yeah, I made some changes. Oh, this would be interesting to see if ampersands worked. We can try that too. Test hack. Okay. Test hack free on Moodle. Trunk. Test. Yeah. Okay. Wouldn't that be amazing if some of this was already fixed? That'd be so sexy. Okay, so let's just see now if my restore works in my local copy. Oh yeah. Check LTI fix. See if, because there was something changed in LTI. Oh, don't tell me we're converting the database. That would be okay. Choose a file. Choose a file. Hack. Upload the file. Restore. Continue. Replace the course and rerun. Next. Next. Error writing to the database. I'm going to guess that I got to do something like this. Site administration. What? I want to register. Upgrade. Oh no, tell me. That's a cool feature. Do a database upgrade. Ha! I love you, Moodle. This I do like, and I stole for Tsugi. Tell me I'm still okay. Hello, file format. Oh, come on. I already did it. Oh, shoot, I forgot all about this. You guys added new tables, and you didn't tell it to go antelope, but I have to do it. Oh, shit. Do I have some Moodle notes up here or something that told me what to do here? Moodle notes. What do you do? Use database. SQL mode. Strict alter. I wonder if this will help me. Why don't you do this automatically for me, Moodle? Go to Moodle database. I do not know what this means. SQL. I just typed this crap. Go. I don't know if that fixed it or not. God dang it. That's probably not fixing it. It did fix it. Jesus. I don't like that, Moodle. To be upgraded, to be upgraded, to be upgraded. Wow, that's nice. Come on. Upgrade Moodle database now. This is nice. A lot to it. Wow. 3.3 went way far. I guess I've been out for a while. Well, we're back to about an hour. Sure. Sure. Yeah, whatever. Sure. I'll register my site. Okay, so let's go in here. And let's import. Oh, what the hell? Let's import the whole thing. Cancel, 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 cancel. Restore. Choose file. Do we feel lucky? Do you feel lucky? I do feel lucky. We're going to restore the whole thing. I can't believe I restored the whole thing. It's with a hack, but I don't think the hack actually activated. Damn it. So that's super strange. Let's see if the hack works. Well, my Moodle doesn't seem to be very happy. That's okay, because what I'm going to test next is the Moodle sandbox with whatever the Moodle sandbox is. I'm going to try the restore of the big file. As a matter of fact, I am going to go crazy, and I'm going to RM, and I'm going to try without the Moodle hack, which I don't think is going to make any difference because I don't have ampersands in those URLs anymore. I am going to simply take the normal common cartridge. Well, not normal, it's back to a 1.1 cartridge. Can I make a new course? Come on. I'm kind of slow. The real bug. Ampersands in URLs. LTI or web link. Okay, so I'm going to choose file, the big kahuna. Instance. Oh, if I log in as administrator, I can make a new course out of it. Don't really need the Moodle link anymore. This crap is junk. Link. Oops, not there. That's what I'm looking for. Just deleting that. Yeah, that looks like a pretty good change for my stuff. Let's go back to Moodle and see how Moodle's coming. Jing. Wow, I'm an hour and 17. Well, I should take a break. Make some notes, take a break. It's noon. Take a walk. Back and like wrap this baby up nicely. Keep that hack around. Just running slow. Maybe this is because it's in Australia. So that'll teach me how it feels to work on stuff that's from Australia. That's kind of like a funny bug. Oh, that was the number of seconds remaining based on its performance. That's not entirely insane because it was just running slowly. It was guessing it in JavaScript by hearing the percentage. Oh, baby! You are my special angel. You are my special angel. There it is. Just like downtown. I can't seem to get the topics right. I can struggle with that later. Topic 1, installing Python. Yeah, I don't know. I'll figure that out later. Now I gotta see if I can make the LTI links. Ooh, turn editing on. So let's see what happens when I go here and it says there is no tool configuration. So let's do this. And okay, launch container. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Enter text secret. Save and return to course. Yeah, okay. All right, well, whatever. Back. Okay. Okay, so that looks pretty. Let's go back to here. That inherit came by, that's real important. I can make this HTTPS later. I'll test that later. But the question is, if I fixed the secret on the first one, does it fix the secret on the rest of them? Come on, Moodle, be my friend. Help me out here. What this does. Whoa. Okay, so that's pretty cool. So that's kind of what now I can explain that to people, how to do that. Topic 1, let's go down to topic 2 and see if this guy like, did it inherit now? That is pretty. That is pretty. I want to steal that idea for Sky. Okay. So was that the hack-free version, and it worked just fine. There are no ampersands in it. Ampersands are still a bug, so if there's no ampersands, it's going to work. So I think that I put this into production and see if I can't make Moodle talk to my real server. Get status. Get diff. Let's send that one. Yeah, I gotta take all those out. Oh yeah, note to self. Add, inherit, in raw mode. Note to self. Remove, inherit, and ampersands. There we go. So that's easy. That's just my tool, my class setup. Tsugi looks like this. Get status. Get diff. Nice. Nice. There's some blanks at the end of lines, which makes me grumpy. Okay. So let's see. There. CC file. There's gonna be too many changes, but who cares? Might as well get rid of these little buggers. Okay. That's okay. It's okay because that is content item. That's for content item, so we're good. So that's good. Get diff. Now there's some blanks. Might as well do it now when I'm doing it. Okay, so let's just go. Let's just make sure I didn't make any like fatalness. No, I didn't. So now I can go here, hit status. This is my thing because I got 2 repos that I got to sort of maintain. The more I use Composer, the more I'm convinced, and you can disagree with me. Oh, my unit tests are all going to break. The more I use Compose, the more I disagree with the notion that you can't put the stuff into GitHub. Because, man, these little Composer dependencies just fall upon one another, and they just update and you get like 40 new things. It's like, I don't need that crap. I want to stabilize. And so, you know what? Sorry, I'm not sure I'm going to stop checking vendor into GitHub, even though I have to go through this extra process. Here goes my. I'm going to run my unit tests, and they're all going to break. Okay, so let's just do this. Rep minus RL. No, let's not go there. Let's go to tests. Okay, so we'll do something simple. We're going to just see if I can change V1P2 to V1P1. This could blow up in my face, but we shall see. I think one of these might be a problem, but we'll see. What? Okay, that one I gotta fix. That one I just gotta fix. This one I gotta fix because I gotta add a launch URL before the secure launch URL. Those blanks. So that's the blanks in that. Let's fix this one. Fixed one. So which is the order? What's going on here? It's different here. Space. Oh. What's this? Let's fix this one. Jesus Christ. Let's see. Oh, just one fail. Okay, so now we're in CC test. Oh, that's pretty sweet. Not too bad. That one's real. That's an obvious one. Let's go to fix the 1.1. So, why do I have these spaces here? So it looks like there are like spaces on that. So right here. Looks like the actual has the spaces. So let's do this. Oh, that's crazy. What is this? Oh, ha 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 ha. That was it. Scope identifier, which I just made up. 15 and not 1. Growl. Where did we make a mistake? Where did we go? Oh, what was this? V1P2. Who the frick knows? Let's go. No, 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 no. I'm getting better. Come on. Help me out here. I think that's good. But he didn't break it. We'll be testing soon enough. Someone is messing with me. Someone is doing this at the same time. That's what happens on the sandbox. I don't know, maybe not. Come on board. Nope. Restore. Something's already there, so that's kind of cool because I added a screen. I added it first. Let me see if that adding of a first thing does what I want it to do. But now I can commit this. Kind of figured at some point going to 1.2 would not be a good strategy because my use of content, common cartridge is so limited that you can make a thin cartridge in 1.1 because that's really what I'm doing here. So let's upgrade production. Go into production. Oh crap. I can't go into the VPN. That would be tacky. So I have to upgrade it a different way. So pull this baby off the screen, log into production. Without using our Where's the name of this thing? Okay, now I'm logged in on production. Upgrading production. Tsugi. Upgrade the Tsugi library. Production's upgraded. While we're cranking along, let's see how many people are using it real time while it's happening. See how many people are using it real time while I just upgraded production. Tsugi's pretty damn cool. Yeah. 39 people are on the site, just going like clickety click. Well, every few seconds. Busy, busy. Busy, busy Coursera students. And I just upgraded. Oh, someone's reading the book. Check that out. They're doing homework, reading the materials. 4 people are looking at slash materials. That's cool, maybe. Okay, so what we're going to do here now is go load Pi4E. And then remove the downloaded thingy. Okay, and then go to materials, and then export it all. So this is going to be production. So that's pretty cool. We don't want that. That's just showing off. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Well, no, I'll do it afterwards. So here we go. If this goes well, this would be a pretty damn sweet import. No, it's not an import. It's a restore. Oh, it's so amazingly usable. Okay. Oh, we're quick to Australia now. Quick, quick, quick. Quick, quick. Like Bunny. A lot of coffee. So I have to take a break, take a walk, and then I'll file the Moodle bug. Which turned out to be, well, they don't support 1.2, which is okay, because I just back leveled my thing to 1.1. I would recommend they would support 1.2, but I recommend that they support 1.2. And the bug is ampersands and URLs. That one I will give them a nice, really simple unit test. Installing Python, tool grade, peer graded, installation screenshots. What just happened? Edit. Holding that secret, right? Yeah, so now I gotta do this. We'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can do it. It's just for testing. Don't have to run it in production. Always ask me for a key. Well. So now we'll go here. Oh man, that's a beautiful thing. That's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. Oh, such a beautiful thing. Oh, look at that. And I can even associate this. Why it pops up in this window. It pops it up in a new window with no navigation and puts it, as I guess, in an iframe. Why, Moodle, do you do that? Why? Oh why, Moodle, do you put me up in an iframe with 0 navigation? I'm not supposed to put, and you don't put me in a new window. Why, oh why, Moodle, do you do this to me? There? Well, that's the Google Translate widget, but it's an iPhone. Oh, Lord have mercy. That is one funky town thing. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. Why, oh why, oh why. Okay. We're going to have to hack it, boys and girls, because Moodle decides to put you in an iframe. In a new window with no navigation. I don't know if this is a bug or not, but oh lordy, oh lordy, oh lordy. I'll fix this one too while I'm at it. Push down the stack. Well, can't help it. I want to fix it. I just want to fix it. So what I gotta do is I gotta do something different for Moodle, and this is why Tsugi is so damn cool. Boom, boom. So what we're going to do here, that's your crap, your crap, your crap. Tsugi, Tsugi, Tsugi. Inherit, install. This is a post, right? See, that's a post. So now I can look at the, there's no response. Now I can go look at all the post data. Come to me. Come to me. Oh, nonce. Is there anything in here that tells me that I'm talking EXTLMS to Moodle? Oh, do I want to edit production or not? No. I know it's bold. I know I would be cool if I edited production, but I'm not going to edit production. I'm going to use ngrok so I can get HTTPS and work locally. Moodle, iframe is a lie. Fix it. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a break. I'll come back and wrap this up. So I fixed my fix. I gotta file the bug. Gotta fix my inherit problem. Okay, the hack, I didn't need the hack at. I don't need the hack just because I don't have ampersands in my URLs anymore. Yeah, so those are done. Those are done. just... Oh, no, I'm back. Shoot. I need to grab that little bit of stuff there. I can see what happened. Okay. So got that. That's ironic. It's Moodle 2, but I think it's Moodle 3. Okay. So I think I'm going to sign off for now. Thanks for your patience. This was pretty long. Let's see if the live isn't working still. The live is working 2 hours and 59 minutes. Live seems to be working, and nobody's watching. So that's okay. Some of you will be watching offline later. That was a super long coding session. But it was a really productive coding session. So we will talk to you later. Bye-bye.